wow.
It's official, right?
It's official. For sale has been replaced with sale pending,
Mm-hmm.
which will soon be replaced with sold.
Yeehaw!
Yeah. This is our video to remember our house. This is our laundry room. That you come into when you come in the back door. And it's obviously Christmas time. And somebody drew a little something on here. Looks like a turkey, but I can't tell. How about turkey? That's a will.
We got the whole room here.
And I like looking out the window and looking out onto the deck and
Mm-hmm.
seeing the kids in the play tower.
Yep. Can't see it because it's dark. The only problem is you also see the neighbor's ugly garage.
This is our kitchen that we redid 5 years ago. And I like it. I'm going to miss it.
It's very pretty.
Corey and I did those tiles when he was 5. And I was 32. And he did a better job than I did. My dad built us this cabinet when we first moved in because we didn't have enough cabinet space.
Nice pantry.
And I like it because we have the monitor on and I can hear anything that goes on upstairs. I can hear down here in the kitchen. And the sun shines in there every morning.
Mm-hmm.
And it's really bright, which Kyle hates because he's 2.5 and it shines right in his little face. But I like it because it's bright. And that light was my Christmas present and it's coming with me.
And the real
It's
estate
in the
agent
papers.
doesn't want it to go.
It's in the papers, it's mine.
We had to write it in special.
It's my light. John put this nice work lady in.
Lovely.
He's so smart.
Okay.
There's the spot where
Oops.
Maxie dug a hole in the carpeting. The hole lasted longer than Maxie, I'm not sure. And our dining room. We bought this at my parents' store. Artifacts when they don't have any more. And our mirror we bought for second anniversary.
Yeah, that's it.
One of our anniversaries. And my pictures.
You might be able to tell what time of year it is by the little goodies left on the table.
Santa, elves, reindeer. Santa's thirsty.
And that's the table we got from Bob and Amy, right?
Right, yeah. We thought that was rocks and we sold that to us. And the little rocky horse Corey got when he was 2 for Christmas. From your mom.
Silly spot for my backpack. It's always there.
And the other backpacks are always piled in that corner.
Mm-hmm.
Fortunately, they could put away for the Christmas holiday.
Cameraman.
Let's see. Normally, there's a big worn spot right here, which we painted over from the Johnny Jumper that the kids used to have on.
Mm-hmm.
That we painted over for the new owner. This is our living room. There is some sundry wet spots from water running through this time. But yes, it's great. We used to have a big picture window and John took that out. And the big Christmas and then package it up to Kyle that's bigger than Kyle. I got a cat. Mystery book. All these hooks in the ceiling that we never knew why they were there.
Mm-hmm. Spots throughout the ceiling where there were hooks hanging. Assume the previous owners had lots of plants or something.
So, anything exciting about this room?
It's arranged a little differently for Christmas, but
A little tighter. And we're always tight, huh? That's why we're moving. In our huge, opulent hallway, foyer, entryway, there's a humongous closet. The closet
the
in the downstairs,
only closet downstairs.
which is crammed with videotapes and video player and
Winter coats
lots
and
of coats and
yeah.
summer coats and
camcorder usually goes in there, and
games are in there and my
Bunch of
sewing
old
stuff is in there.
albums.
Big box of albums is in there. And can't wait to have closets.
This used to be the front door, main entrance to the house.
This big key. The front door. Shows you all the houses. Oh, he's looking.
Huh?
He's looking through the railings.
Oh, hi, kitty. Playroom.
You missed that.
Yeah, we'll miss the steps. I'll miss steps. Not gonna have steps in our new place. This is kind of an office playroom.
Addition that John made out of a front porch.
Used to be the porch. There used to be a wall or a window where Leanne's at.
Holes in the ceiling where the hooks were for the porch swing.
Mm-hmm. And the window used to rattle when the trucks would go by. We got lots of toys out here for the kids to play with. Our new computer and our old computer. And a few pictures, outdoor stuff.
Finished this 2 years ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
3 years ago. 2 years ago.
2 years.
What did it Christmas?
Mm-hmm. In the
In the
steps. Yeah.
In our window.
And we put that in after we closed the porch, because there wasn't much light here on the steps. Famous bowling pins and balls site.
Oh God! Is John breaking his neck?
Thank God we won't have any more steps.
Really? It's basically why we moved. Because you couldn't handle it anymore. This is the bedroom. And I'll be happy to not have to climb out of the bed and the bed anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Don't have the clock in the window anymore. And I'll really miss this noise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sure, they're gonna do it now. Where's that punk?
I don't know.
Yeah, come on. You always punk. There it was.
Demonstrate the silly door that's still silly.
Half its silly door. Right off the door. Just have the magnet. I'll miss that news too. And climbing up in the attic, I'll miss that. My Grecian rose walls. My nice hubby put on for me. From Grecian rose to apricot blossom. And painful he wouldn't ask for because it was called apricot blossom. So I had to go buy it myself. And toilet paper because the cats play with it. And that's the closet. The clothes cleaning unit. This room did have a dresser in it, but we took it out to make it look bigger. The dresser's crammed in the closet. And there's the kitty perched. I wish Kyle would use that. This is where the kitties sleep at night. God. We did have 2 bookshelves in the hallway. We took those out to make it look more spacious. Got the toy and costume closet. The costumes from all the years are in here. Puppy dogs. Kyle's room. You can tell from the door. It says Kyle. He knows his colors and how to spell his name. This is the room that I'll be sad to leave. Got no clothes hanging on the wall. It's first Christmas. And all the stuff that I made when Corey was born. Their first 1-year bibs. They wore on their first birthday. Their comforters. Hopefully we won't set that crib back up again.
Yeah, that's true.
Basket of clothes is outgrown. The boys' room. We picked out that nice wallboard because we really, really liked it, and then they started covering it with stuff. A bright red carpet on our bright red bed.
This room was really ugly when we moved in.
See, it's the door. Is it white with blue trim, or is it blue with white trim? Actually, that was the most attractive portion of the whole room when we moved in.
Mhm.
And it's horrible blue wall. It has stars on the ceiling that glow when you turn off the light. I don't know what happened to all those stuffed animals. They seem to have disappeared. Corey's little space on the top. Shelf lips at the bottom. Sometimes Kyle's bed is crammed with stuff underneath.
That's the house.
That's it, except for the basement. Not in this one, this basement. Okay, do the basement. Got the
Okay,
hit
you gotta
spot.
open it.
Gotta get it there, it doesn't open. Be careful on the stairs, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Okay.
Falling up is one thing, falling down is a whole
Mhm.
other two. Our pretty basement.
Lots of empty boxes down here.
So spacious.
It's the only place Leanne's ever felt tall.
See, I don't hit my head anywhere in our basement. Yeah, you could do the other side.
Hmm?
I don't even think you can see on the other side, can you? You got light on you.
The light's probably turned off.
Beautiful doorway. To the dark.
Disgusting crawl space.
Because it's only a fourth of the house. That's another fourth. The other half is little crawl space. But the kitties like it down here. Don't ya?
That's it.
That's our basement. Yay. I'll miss it so much. And this nice pink rug that was here when we moved in. Okay, this is it. Our last hurrah. Our last time in our old house. Came to pick up the final few things. It's all empty. Kitchen minus the refrigerator. My kitchen that I loved so much. Very nice tiles. It's pretty empty. Curtains are gone. One remaining box that stays that says, "For the new owners," in which we put keys and information for the stove, that kind of stuff. A few last things going with us. Our empty room. A light that stays. That we bought when we discovered there were no lights in this house. Into the dark living room. Like we said, there's no lights in this house. And in here, we came, whoa, for our final game
Oh, you got me.
of bowling pins and balls. And here they come. Game John created. And the kids have played many, 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 many times. There's Shawnee.
He's fun.
Ouch! You got me with that one. There's Corey. And there's Kyle. And Daddy always gets to be at the bottom, receiving the brunt end of the deal. There might be one behind me. There's the canister that always has the balls in it. Empty closet. Oops. There's a ball. Empty playroom. Leaving them a cabinet. And I don't know what's on top of it. Oh. Wallpaper. Get the ball, sir. It's over there. The green room. Oh,
Hey, why isn't Mommy taping?
the reason it's called bowling pins and balls. Okay, let me see if I can get that with my foot. Oh, there they are. Hey, you got me. Dramatic acting there. I love it because if you throw it hard enough, it hits the closet door and makes a loud bang. Hey! You got me.
Sorry, did I hear interference with the camera? Oh,
Whoa.
sorry. I didn't mean that.
Got like a major league close-up of your nose.
Oh, Kyle, good dog.
Like a major league close-up of your nose. Okay, can I go up the stairs?
An idea.
At your own risk.
Got my own wrist. Okay, cameraman coming up the stairs.
Peace, Mom. Peace.
Peace, Mom.
Oh, peace. It looks more like
12
4.
steps.
Peace. And this is supposed to be peace.
Peace.
But it's wall.
Okay. 12 steps. That's why Kyle could count to 12 before he was 2. There's Kyle. Hello.
This is not recommended in the rule book.
I gotta move. I'm getting hit.
It's not
This is our
recommended.
bedroom. Very empty.
Fighting bad guys.
Wonderful attic that I always love to climb up into.
This is in the category of don't do.
Nope, there's the noise.
This is the category of crazy. Ow. And fun. And look here. You do the timer spin. I do it. No one does it.
Claire's too good at throwing, so I don't like being at the bottom anymore. Coming through. Sean, I can't look down. Get out of the way. Oh, thank you for hiding behind me there, Clark. Empty, empty bathroom. Okay, turn on the light. Our one big closet.
I'm here again, fellow Americans. Or, as you might say, people of the jury.
People of the jury. I think you're being funny. Okay.
No people of the jury out there. I have 2 balls.
2. Those aren't balls, those are bowling pins.
Oh, I have bowling pins.
Bowling pins.
Balls? A ball was down there.
Okay.
The ball was down
Okay.
Demonium.
Okay, let me turn on a light. Empty closet. Turn on a light. Hey, excuse me. The red room. You have one ball?
Run for it!
Kind of like a tour of the White House. We've got the red room, we've got the blue room. Let me get the light. This is my wonderful wallpaper. I will not see you again. Spent a lot of time thinking, looking at those elephants and those stars. Okay, hold the door. What that? Hold the door a second. Strobe light. What? Not the least bit wound up. Okay. Hey, peace man, and the door's gonna go close. No heat in these bedrooms. So, when the door goes closed, you get cold. There's the only source of heat in the hall upstairs. Yippity skippity.
Peace, Mom.
Peace, okay, you scoot.
Peekaboo, I see you.
Okay, I'm gonna watch some more bowling pins and balls here. Can I come in? Can I come in? Hey, you're surrounded. Ah, jeez, I got hit. Hey, Kyle, put that down. Show me what you learned today. What did you learn to do? No.
Wait.
No. Try again. No. Where's your thumb? Yay! Thumbs up.
Be small. Be small.
Okay, let's get a nice view of Daddy. Ouch! This is what it looks like from the war zone. Ouch! I don't think I'm gonna see any more. Hey, they're collecting. They're collecting up here. You okay, Sean?
Yeah.
Where'd you go? Oh, we're behind him.
Pick a ball, I think.
Okay. Uh-oh, let me see. You get that close, I can't get you. Oh, got Kyle on the butt.
Want to close up a ball?
No, thank you. It's amazing we've never had anybody fall down the stairs playing this game. And they have been playing it since Tori was about 2.
Light off, light on.
He's not even there. Hey, got you. Twice. Uh-oh. Injury. Got it in the nose. Are you bleeding?
Yeah, I'm glad we got this on film.
You alright? Okay. Do you need me to kiss you?
And just
Do you need me to give you big kisses?
What?
I'm
public.
gonna turn this off and give you big kisses.
No.
Yes, I am. Here I come. Here I come. Here come big kisses.
There's an injury. I don't get shot. I don't get shot. I don't get shot.
You're gonna kiss him? Okay. Let me turn it off here.